In this video, you'll learn how to open an OKX wallet using the OKX app. By following these steps, you will successfully create your own wallet, which allows you to manage your digital assets securely. Start by locating and opening the OKX app on your device. If you do not have the app installed, please download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you will be presented with the main screen, which contains various options for navigating through the app. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several icons. Tap on the one labeled Wallet, Web3 Wallet. This action will take you to the wallet section of the app where you can manage your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, look for the option that says Create Wallet and tap on it. This will initiate the wallet creation process. You may notice that the app prompts you to set a wallet password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, as this will be crucial for accessing your wallet in the future. After setting your password, the app will display a seed phrase consisting of 12 words. It is important to write this seed phrase down on paper and keep it in a safe place. This phrase is essential for recovering your wallet if you ever lose access to it. Once you've written down the seed phrase, return to the app and confirm the words as prompted. This step ensures that you have accurately recorded the seed phrase. After confirming the words, your wallet will be successfully opened and you can begin using it to manage your digital assets.